Welcome back, guys. My name is Divyam Rastogi.
And my name is Manan Tomar.
We hope you are doing great. So, today's topic is
Top honeymoon destinations in Italy.
so, without wasting any time, here we go.
Italy is known as the land of painters and is a place which ozons romance. That's why it is one of the most popular honeymoon destination in the world.
Venice. Venice has been known as La Dominante, La Serenissima, Queen of Adriatic, City of Water, and many names. It remains a major Italian port in northern Adriatic Sea. It is one of the most world-oldest tourist place and a prominent place for honeymooners. Venice is a romantic and historic at the same time. St. Mark's Basilica, St. Mark's Square, Palazzo Ducale, and Bridge of Sin, Canale Grande, Ponte di Rialto, and San Polo are some of the most famous places you must visit in Venice, Italy. Venice is considered as one of the most famous city in the world. Best time to visit here is September to November.
Flores. Flores was founded as a Roman military colony about the 1st century BC. It is also one of the most famous city in the world. Fortunately, it isn't quite as expensive as Rome or Venice. If you are a romantic personality, then this place meant for you. Flores is also heaven for art and history buffs. It is a very interesting city with vibrant areas and delicious food. Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore and Piazza Duomo, Battistero di San Giovanni, Piazzale Michelangelo, Ugiffi Palace and Gallery, Piazza della Signoria, and the Loggia di Langi are some of the most famous places to visit in Flores. Best time to visit Flores is from mid-April to September.
Salento Coast. The coast of Salento is located on Tyrrhenian Sea. Salento is known as one of the centers of Mediterranean dive. Salento should be in your bucket list to visit Italy on your honeymoon due to its romantic and historic significance. Santa Maria da Castellabate, Acquaroli, Viale, Palinuro, Maria di Seminetro, Scario, Policastro are some of the most visited and famous places in Salento Coast. Best time to visit Salento Coast is June to August.
Naples, a city in southern Italy, is one of the best destinations for honeymooners in Italy. It's actually the birthplace of the original wood-fired Neapolitan pizza. Naples is also known for its natural beauties such as Posillipo, Phlegraean Field, Nisida, and Vesuvius. Lungomare and Casalovo, Capale San Severo, Catacombs of San Gennaro, National Archaeological Museum, Capa di Monte, Royal Palace, and Gallery Borbonica are some of the most famous places in Naples one should visit. Best time to visit this natural beauty is March and April as the weather is quite mild.
Capri Islands. Capri is an island located in Mediterranean Sea of Sorrento Peninsula on the south side of Gulf. Capri is an island that has beautiful natural beauty, amazing cuisine, and world-class shopping. It is also known for its great food and for its beautiful nature. Blue Grotto, Villa San Michele, Monte Solaro, Villa Jovis, Villa Curp, and Arco Natrulle are some of the famous places you should visit. Best time to visit Capri Island is September mid to mid-November.
Rome. Rome is the capital city and a special commune of Italy as well as the capital of the Lazio region. Rome is known for its stunning architecture with the Colosseum and Pantheon, and you will find the smallest country in the world in Rome, which is Vatican City. Rome is also known for the best honeymoon destination in Italy. Visiting Rome is a true journey into the past with its amazing ruins and magnificent monuments. Colosseum, St. Peter's Basilica, Pantheon, Roman Forum, and Vatican Museum are some of the best places to visit in Rome. Best time to visit there is April to June and mid-August to mid-October.
Lake Como. Lake Como has been popular retreats for aristocrats and wealthy people since Roman times. It is third largest lake in Italy and the fifth deepest lake in the Europe. It's sometimes called the most beautiful lake in the world. The place is also famous for its landscapes, spas, and wildlife. Villa Carlotta, Villa de Barlinio, Isola Comracina, Como Cathedral, Villa Olmo, and Villa Monastro are some of the most famous places at Lake Como. Best time to visit this place is March to November.
Amalfi. Amalfi is the town and commune in the province of Salerno in the region of Campania, Italy. The Amalfi Coast is known for its production of Limoncello liqueur, as the area is a known cultivator of lemons. Amalfi is known for its cluster of white buildings clinging to the cliffside that effortlessly complement the clear blue water below. Amalfi Cathedral, Villa Ruffolo, Museum of Paper, Cloister del Paradiso, and Grotta dello Cinello are some of the famous places to visit in Amalfi. Best time to visit this place is mid-April to October.
Verona. This place is originally famous for Romeo and Juliet, Shakespeare's play. In Verona, you will find Juliet's house, Romeo's house, and Juliet's tomb too. And if we are talking about Romeo and Juliet, then we think there is no reason to explain the feeling of this paradise. You must visit Juliet's house, Verona Arena, Piazza delle Erbe, Piazza Bra, Castellanccio, and Basilica di San, which you love to see. Best time to visit Shakespeare Center is mid-May to October.
Monterosso al Mare. Monterosso is the biggest and the oldest of the Cinque Terre villages. It is divided into the old and the new village. This place is most famous for its lemon trees, white wines, grapes, and olives. Monterosso al Mare is located at the center of a small natural gulf, protected by a small artificial reef. Via Fagina, Church of San Giovanni, Terre National Park, Bathing Resort, Nostra Signora di Sivore are some of the most famous places one should visit. Best time to visit this place is mid-August to October. And that's for today, guys. Comment down your favorite place you want to visit in Italy. And don't forget to visit our official website, link in the description.
We hope you like this video, so don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel, Type Vacation.